Okay, I believe I'm recording, so hoping this works. I'm going to show you how to prepare and export your two-page spread for your website. The first thing you're going to need to do is be on the spread, page 2 and 3. Go to your rectangular frame tool in your tools. Click and drag from the top left corner of page 2 to the bottom right hand corner of page 3. For your frame on that box, we're going to have a black rule. If you click away and zoom in, you'll see that there's an edge now. Alright, so I'm going to go to View, Fit Spread in Window. We're now going to go to File, Export. When you get here, by default, it's probably going to say .pdf. You want to change that down at the bottom. So if it was here, you want to change it to JPEG. Once you've changed it, you want to save it. And I'm saving it to the desktop. But if you want to save it somewhere else, you have to save it somewhere else by choosing the placement here. I'm going to click Save. Now, you have a dialog box. This is very important. It's probably going to default to all pages. So you need to type in 2-3. It'll probably default to pages, but we don't want to save page 2 individually and page 3 individually. We want a spread. We want both pages to be seen together. The image quality will probably be at medium. If you want, you can change it to high. Format method baseline, I'm going to leave it as that because I don't actually know what that means. Resolution, it's probably going to default to 72, but I'm going to make it a little, whoops, wrong one. I'm going to make it 300 just so that the resolution looks good. Color space, we can leave it RGB. And these options here, I just left it at these two, which were defaulted, and say export. Okay, it seems like nothing happened, but it did. So I'm going to close this document. I'll go ahead and save it. And out here, I should have a spread. Let's see if it worked. Ah, there it is. It's right here. Let's just take a look at it. Okay. All right, so it opened up in Photoshop because it's a JPEG. I'm just going to look and see, do I have that rule, which I do, which is perfect. I'm going to fit screen on window. Okay, that was just to check it. All right, it's working. I can quit Photoshop. Okay. What you want to do next is you're going to go to your website. And I usually go through my emails. And I will click on the Google app icon and go to Sites. I will locate my site. And I will go to Graphic Design 1, and I'm going to go to Magazine Spread. Now, I already did this, so let me just delete this. And what you're going to do is you're going to insert an image, and I'm uploading it from my desktop. So I need to find my desktop. And there it is. I'm going to double click. And it came in, but it's going to come in super, super small. And I don't want it super small. We want to make it big. So I'm going to span it from side to side and then hit uncrop. And if all went well, which it should, you have a 2-page spread with a rule around it so we can see where the edges are. And that's it. Just don't forget to publish. So review changes and publish. Say publish. And I'm going to go look at it on the web, so view publish site. And that's what it looks like. All right, I'm going to end this screen movie thingy. And if you have any questions, just reach out to Mrs. Donovan or myself or both of us.